Welcome back to Yijin Hardware. Have you ever encountered this scenario while performing dynamic milling, especially during deep cuts? When applying this milling technique on titanium alloys or other hard metals, your tool is at risk of breaking or chipping. What would you do to prevent tool failure in such cases? Take a moment, just 3 seconds to think about it. Most of the time, we start milling from the outside and work our way in. However, as the cutter engages the remaining material, the leftover stock tends to break off. This can lead to tool edge fractures or cause the material to get sucked into the cutter's base, eventually breaking the tool. Now, some may say, why not start from the inside and work outward to avoid this problem? Well, that's not the best approach either. When we start from the inside, we leave behind a thin layer of material around the perimeter of the workpiece. As the cutter penetrates this leftover stock, it can wrap around the tool, leading to breakage or chipping of the cutting edges. So how do we avoid this issue? One effective solution is to create a helical milling path in your software and add a taper. Begin by making small cuts at the center of the workpiece, then mill inward from the outer edge. This transforms what would have been a column of material into a tapered wall. As we work inward, the amount of leftover stock gradually decreases until it disappears entirely. This way, the tool remains intact with no breakage or chipping. Not only does this method enhance stability and efficiency during the milling process, but it also extends the life of your tools, providing greater safety and reliability. Subscribe to our channel for easy-to-understand CNC knowledge and daily improvements.